7:30. It is Friday, and I thought it'd be fun if we spent the day together. So let's get this day started. I'm dressed for the gym, but I need to put my contacts in because if you are someone who wears glasses or contacts, you know I can't freaking see anything, so. Every morning when I wake up, I take my cellar water and I just wipe my face with it, kind of like a face wash. The night shift did a horrible job cleaning up last night. It's always up to the morning shift to get the day done. It's now time to make my pre-workout because I like to drink this before the gym. Today is a perfect day to start vlogging because last night my entire TikTok account got banned and taken down because I was not older than 13. So obviously I have someone spamming me currently or like, I don't know, trolling me. I am about to leave the house to go to the gym, but I just remembered that I haven't sent an invoice over to this brand that I've been working with, and they need it for me to get paid. Now we can go to the gym. Once I start becoming a better gym goer, I'd love to do like a routine of what I do every day. Obviously there's some things I do the same every single day, but I do arms one day, legs another day, and I just remember not knowing what to do with the gym. So if I could just put it all in one place. I used to have a personal trainer, so he taught me some things, but I am no trainer. So if that's something you guys are interested in, leave a comment below. We're back home and we need to jump in the shower because I'm sweaty. I really wonder why I'm always out of my cellar water. It's because I wipe my face with it like 10 times. I treat it like it's a cleansing, I kind of think it is. It's a cleansing water. I'm actually using it correctly. I had English muffins, so I made an English muffin for breakfast, and then I'm gonna keep the chicken aside and make chicken salad. I'm gonna make chicken salad for lunch after I run some errands. And Riley's on the phone. Hey! Hi! And I already uploaded the footage because I'm excited. I just deep cleaned my house because I am hosting the pregame tonight because we are going out downtown Vegas tonight. So we need my house to be clean because I'm kind of messy, and you guys saw this morning. All I did was pick it up. I didn't clean it. But because we're going out tonight, I'm going to do a full face of makeup tonight. But I have a sponsored video that I need to film, and then I need to run to the store. So we're just going to put a little bit of makeup on because I'm going to end up taking it off before I go out tonight. My hair a little bit too. I'm starting to sweat. Okay, now I need to film that video. Now I'm gonna edit this video so I can send it over to my manager and get it approved. Just submitted that video over for review from the brand. Now I'm going to make a coffee and run to the store to get some things for the pregame tonight, and I also need to make a couple returns at Abercrombie. And I think I got mail. I did. Oh. I love when I get random PR. It's so fun. It's so fun. Let's see what it is. Straightener, texturizing powder, there's a heat protectant spray, and a dry shampoo. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh, I'm literally positive that I ordered this in black because I was like, Oh, I want it to be discreet in my purse. But they gave me pink. Pink's kind of cute. Because I also got this light. Oh. Oh, here is the little case thing. It's actually cute in pink, you know? And then I've got the screen protector on too. Like I said, I want it to be discreet in my purse for when I go out. And a giant pink camera is not discreet. We are going to go run some errands. I need to make some returns at Abercrombie, a few different places. Amazon. We are headed to my favorite place on earth. Even though I have some returns to do, that's in a different spot, and I was driving past Target and I was like, you know what? We'll just go to Target right now and get what I need from there. What's funny? I record in Target all the time on my cell phone and I have no problem doing it because it seems like I could be on FaceTime, but on my camera, there's no way I'm on FaceTime on this, so it's a little awkward. I was so overwhelmed about filming, I forgot my freaking purse. So we're going back to the car. It's like, oh, maybe I'll just do Apple Pay. But I need my ID because we all know I'm gonna get carded to buy alcohol. Secured. I am trying to get some shot glasses and maybe some new cups. I just don't have a lot of cups. And it's looking slim, but I'm in the alcohol area. I was thinking these juice glasses. I'm opening said juice glasses just so I can see the size they are. Oh no, too big. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Target didn't have what I needed. They didn't have shot glasses or regular cups, and then the alcohol was all locked up, and that's a first. So I wasn't gonna wait for like Tito's or anything because I didn't want to wait. But I did buy some high noons, and why did those go up in price? $28 for a 12 pack. $2 a can just feels like a lot. Make some more returns, and then I am gonna look and try to find a shirt to wear out tonight. It is so freaking gorgeous out, and this is like an outdoor mall, so it's perfect condition. You guys know I don't even like shopping actually. I'm 100% an online shopper. And I actually think it's really cute. The way that I'm like the biggest scaredy cat ever, some men in this car, I was walking in my car, they beeped at me and all their heads were out the window and waving. I literally, this is my face. Like, now I'm thinking, oh, did they know me? Like, do I know? I didn't recognize them, but the interaction was really quick. Don't beep at someone who's walking to their car alone. Okay, like, I just like was really scared. Also, I'm a scaredy cat, so I'll admit, like, maybe they were just saying, hey. I'm like, I gotta get out of here. Anyways, I bought those things I tried on at H&M. Home, and my plan was to make chicken salad, so I chopped up all the chicken, I shredded it, cut up some celery, tomatoes, and peppers. My mayo is bad, so I just put some Olive Garden dressing on it. It's not that bad actually. Let's get ready to go out tonight. Chloe is supposed to be here getting ready with me, but I told her 6, and she said 6 is too early, and I said, okay, 7. It's 7:20. So we aren't gonna wait anymore. We're just not gonna wait anymore. But whenever I wear foundation, I just feel like it almost discolors me too much. I also did take off my makeup, but I left the little bit of mascara that I have on because we'll just stack that on top. So we're just gonna do a tinted moisturizer. We're not gonna do my foundation. Oh, so nice of you to join us.
Sorry. I had to do some stuff.
You wearing your
extensions?
I don't know yet. Probably not.
Why? Because it's just
I think, okay, so I'm thinking tonight, I'm gonna add curls.
Yeah.
Tonight it's dirty, but I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna do curls tonight, and then tomorrow with my outfit, I feel like a slick back bun will look really good.
Cute. Yeah, well. That smells so good.
Yeah, you can't have that. Oh my god. This is the new.
I shouldn't have asked.
This is the new dry shampoo that I just opened in the mail for. It's from Hair by Mindy McKnight. It smells bussin'. Oh, we have plenty of time.
Did you just hear her, guys? She said, "Oh, we have plenty of time," and she wanted me to come over 2 hours ago.
But I'm pale and you're tan.
No, wait. Let's look up close. We're the same.
No, we're not. I'm like milk.
Can I try curling my hair with your curling iron?
Sure.
I saw this TikTok that was like, if you want to get a guy, wear your hair straight. And I asked Hayes, I was like, is that true?
Every guy I've ever dated asks me to curl my hair.
Okay, right. So that's because all the comments were like so true. Like every time I wear my hair straight, like I get the most attention.
I'm like, I never wear my hair straight.
No, I know. So I asked Hayes. I was like, I feel like curling. Like I feel like guys always love girls with curly hair because it's so like girly and like it looks like you put an effort, whatever. And he was like,
he doesn't care.
no, he had no idea what I was talking about.
Yeah, so we don't believe her.
We don't. I didn't believe her.
She's
right
dead
away.
wrong. Boys like the curl. And if they don't, I don't care what they like. Here's the final fits. I got stuck. My jeans are addicted. Top H&M, boots are Chloe's.
My boots are White Box. Jeans are Dairy Boy. Shout out Paige.
Slay.
Top is Zara. And yeah, that's the fit.
That's the fit.
That's the fit, guys.
My outfit from last night, my shoes were still on. I just took my shoes off and I just took my makeup off, and I'm getting ready for brunch. So I'm gonna try to jump in the shower right now and get ready before the hangover hits. In night shift at it again. We have got to get ready to go to brunch. And look at me right now. I have my outfit on, so that's a start. I went to this country bar last night in Vegas with my friends, and I don't know what was going on with this guy. So last weekend, I met this guy at this country bar, and I thought we were hitting it off. Like, I thought, listen, I was a little bit under the influence, so do I really know what I was thinking? No. But I gave him my number, and I don't really give my number out ever. He never texted me though, okay? And I was like, oh, okay, like that sucks, but whatever. Like, it happens, I get it. Anyways, he hasn't texted me, and I saw him at the bar last night, and he comes over and he said I was trouble. That's what he said. I feel like I'm butchering this story because I'm hungover. Long story short, he confused me for another girl. He had this whole, like, it wasn't me. Like, basically what I'm saying is I remember me and his entire conversation. And I'm just saying, if that was his, like, pickup line, trying to act like he's, like, too cool for me or something, it didn't work. I literally was, like, cringed out. I'm gonna say it. I clean up nice. But my friend's here, so we gotta go.